discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Everybody's getting in?
Oh, you got upgraded seats too. This is nice. Wow. And you got a roof racing in here now too. Very nice.
Yeah.
I know.
On the outside.
What did you do on the, just wood roof or concrete?
No, it's wood. It's
Okay.
2.5 sheets of birch.
And this is considered a ported box or like a 6-door, or what is it?
Just a wall.
Just a wall, flat wall, okay. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around you just got of the Black Boom F-150 truck system. This is Jason's system. He called it the Black Boom, and he has these huge, monstrous subwoofers from Phi Audio. The Delta series, they're rated at 4,500 watts RMS, but of course he's giving them an 8,000. So I went ahead and put the previous video link in the description from his prior video I posted on here about 8-9 months ago, as well as all the details in that video. Definitely recommend checking out. So go ahead and give Jason a thumbs up if you haven't already, as well as comment, let him know some positive things you like about his system. His back amplifier staging area, he used to have the cover casing. He had it off during this show, but he had a beauty panel block and everything. Has a whole bunch of lithium. I have to say over 500 amp hours of lithium. With 4 of the Sundown Salt 8,000 watt amplifiers, ran 1 amplifier per sub, and I would like to say they're at half ohm each, so these subwoofers are definitely handling the power really well. So he has a lot of beefy electrical to support that. So this is an actual considered a flat wall with a ported enclosure, and then the subwoofers are actually inverted to give you more space in the back of the enclosure, and these are the 18-inch subwoofers from Phi, the Delta series as I mentioned. So I thought at first it was a 6th-order, but I was mentioning earlier, but it's actually just a flat wall. So we're going to go ahead and get to the bass demo now. These 3 different songs he's going to be playing for us. A lot of crazy outside flex you got to check out. His doors are literally about to fly off from so much flex and pressure. So consider subscribing for daily cardio videos every day until I run out. Enjoy the video and the demo. Pretty crazy. I'm coming on the other end right here. Anyone come right here? Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.